Hi everyone, here is a very interesting situation. Bedroom higher than hallway because sides higher, middle lower. If I level it, it will be higher approximately 3.8. Why it's happened? Because I didn't level whole apartment in one shot. We just level by part, a lot of furniture everywhere. Just when finish hallway and wanna do without transition uh, installation, we found this problem. So how to solve it? What we did? So first of all, we divide this room to two parts. You know why? Because we level whole room and then make a ramp. I divide this room for two parts. First of all, if you see from the left side on the entrance to this room, closet, and by closet I block this area and then did leveling. I use for it self-leveling compound. So if you watching my videos, I always use Mapei product. So here is the I'm using Mapei 1. It's similar products for it's similar products like Mapei Novoplan 2 or Mapei Self-Leveler Plus. So if you living in United States, you can buy Mapei Self-Leveler Plus. If you live in Canada, you can buy Mapei Novoplan 2. So it's just brand names, but material almost the same, no any different changes. So for leveling this area, I'm using straight edge 8 feet primer T self-leveling compound and Mapei Novoplan 1. So when I spread the self-leveler, I'm using roller to make it even. So if some imperfection, roller help to do nice. When it's dry, I took piece of baseboard and measure from, you see I put carpet over the laminate floor and put some tape to avoid any damage when I do patching. So now I wanna do a ramp with Plani patch. So I'm mixing Plani patch with a little bit water. Don't put too much water. So when you put water, put Plani patch acrylic. You see in the can there is, it's for better bonding. And when I put Plani patch, I mix it with trowel and add by parts little bit water to prepare nice with good condition. You know, this self-leveling compound. It's not should be flawed. So you just put it and it's stable. This is the idea. With self-leveler, it's hard to do it, but with Plani patch, easy to do any ramps. One guy a few days ago asked me how I'm using Plani patch and what's the difference. So Plani patch I am using if I have some damaged floor and to fill up whole holes. I'm just spread whole Plani patch around the floor, or if I want to better bonding self-leveling compound with oh, you see I did it nice. So if I need better bonding self-leveling compound with wood, I'm using Plani patch as well, and ramps. I do ramps. You see now when I finish the Plani patch, when it's dry, you know, I just grind the edge between Plani patch and self-leveling compound and then install floor. Then I push floor with baseboard down. I hope this video was helpful. If you will have the same situation, now you know how to solve this problem. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.